I
Yes.
just thought, let's just ask, should I look into investing in laundromats? What cities are the best and what to look for? Investing in laundromats is a classic, a boring business strategy that has surged in popularity due to reputation of the cash flow and recession resistant because people need to get their clothes washed, right? However, the passive income narrative is often misleading what you just said. It's an active operation requiring management, maintenance, and marketing. Recession resistant clones are necessary, not a luxury. Immediate cash flow, revenue is collected upfront, no cash invoices, no chasing invoices, which is a good thing. High success rate, survival rates are historically high, often cited 95% over 5 years for well located stores. Wow. Tax benefits, bonus depreciation, because you're buying all this equipment and you are able to write off 100%, allows you to write off all that. And high upfront capital, about 250 to 5, because you're buying all these big machines, I think, right? Not passive. Most managed machine repair, cleaning, coin collections, and then utility. Oh, these are self-use laundromats, maybe. Utility risk. Your margins are heavily dependent on local wage, the gas, the electric, and all that. Best cities. Wow, New York, Houston, Dallas, and Miami. College towns are good, right? Blue collar renters rule. 35% of the population rents. Average household income is 30 to 70. That's where the laundromats do better, right? What to look for, buying checklist, deal breaker, term lease. Length is more than you need 10 to 15 years remaining because once you build a brand, you can't move it, right? Rent ratio 20 to 25% or less. But now you could ask Chat GPT or Gemini in my case, should I look into investing in laundromats? What cities are the best? What to look for? Just so simple. And it just gives you so much information. Would you like me to perform a back of the napkin valuation on a specific listing? If you provide the asking price, reported revenue, rent, age of the machines, I can tell you if the math holds up. So I think that's pretty good.